Every home in Canada consumes energy. 16% is electricity for appliances, lights, and plug load, 21% for hot water and air conditioning, 63% for space heating. If Canada wants to meet the challenge of climate change, buildings must become net zero, where they produce as much renewable energy as they consume for all applications. Whether natural gas, electricity, oil, propane, or wood, the federal government says the average home in Canada consumes the equivalent of 30,000 kilowatt hours each year, 5,000 for plug, 26,000 for temperature. But that average house rarely produces any of its own plug or temperature. The answer? A NetZeroPlus heat pump needs 8,000 kilowatt hours to operate, and when added to plug, the whole house consumes 13,000 to power the fridge, stove, internet, phone charger, and heat pump, but it produces 26,000 of renewable energy for temperature. A NetZeroPlus heat pump is not really net zero, it's net zero times 2. And that's without making any changes to your house or to your lifestyle. If you add insulation, buy Energy Star appliances, install triple pane windows, switch to LED bulbs, turn off plug load when not using it, you know the list. A NetZeroPlus heat pump will produce far more energy from the ground than your home consumes for all end uses. Commercial buildings need more plug for equipment and motors, but they too meet the basic definition for net zero if they install a heat pump to produce temperature. Our governments have warned us that they'll get us off carbon energies by imposing taxes and levies, but they also want millions of electric cars, which means more dams, nuclear reactors, and high-voltage transmission lines. Perhaps it's time to slow our obsession with more energy and consider a sustainable strategy to become a net zero plus nation. A net zero plus heat pump is the best energy and environmental bang for the buck. It saves 18,000 kilowatt hours each year. It avoids peak rates and is the utility's best baseload option. It produces 25,500 units of dispatchable renewable energy. It's the key to a smart city or any municipality aiming for 100% renewable. It's the best cooling solution for a warming climate. It's a superb hedge against rising energy prices and carbon taxes. It increases occupant comfort and safety and home equity, and it offers much more. For information, NetZeroPlus.ca. Canada needs to become a net zero plus nation, and we need to do it now.